Good morning student, welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again student, lesson 10, quadrilateral and theorem of exercise 10b. Theorem of exercise 10b. Here student, theorem number 1 to 6 discussed in a previous video. Okay. Here student, theorem number 10. Prove that the bisector of the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. That means here the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at a 90 degree. That means first of all you have to prove OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. That means diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Means each angle is 90 degree. Okay student. The first one is the given information. A rhombus ABCD whose diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. This is the given information. A rhombus ABCD whose diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. TP to prove OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Okay student. And second one is angle BOC, angle BOC, AOB, AOD, DOC. That means each angle in a point O is 90 degree. Okay. So take a student, if diagonal bisect each other, then always take opposite triangle. Okay. If you take this triangle or this triangle, this triangle and this triangle, always prove OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Look at here student, here in triangle AOB and in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and COD, in these two triangles, AB is equal to CD. Write down sides of rhombus. We know that the sides of all sides of a rhombus are equal. Okay. Then AB is equal to CD, sides of rhombus. Here suppose a student angle 1, this one is the angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angles. That means this is the type of parallelogram. So opposite sides are parallel. We know that. And AC is the transversal line. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angle. And suppose this angle is angle 3 and this angle is angle 4. Okay. So here angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Write down VOA, vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. VOA, vertically opposite angle. Suppose this point is O. Okay. And this angle is 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, BOA, vertically opposite angle. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Okay. By which criteria? Angle side. By angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT we can write here OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD by CPCT. Okay. By CPCT, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This is the first proof. Okay. The second proof is, suppose here student, this one is angle 5. Suppose this one is angle 5. In triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. Okay, if you prove the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, always take adjacent triangle. Always take adjacent triangle. That means agal bagal triangle. We have to take adjacent triangle. Means this triangle and this triangle. Yeah, this triangle and this triangle. Yeah, this triangle and this triangle. Yeah, this triangle and this triangle. Okay. Always prove the angle is 90 degree. Yeah, not 90 degree. Okay. So in this case, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD, these two triangles are the adjacent triangle. So in these two triangles, AO is equal to AO, common. AO is equal to AO, common. AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. Sides of rhombus. AB is equal to AD, sides of rhombus, and OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OB. OB is equal to OB. OB is equal to OD. Just proved. Just proved. Yeah, we know that. Okay. OB is equal to OD. Just proved because the diagonal bisect each other. Okay, student. Then triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. Reason is SSS. By SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. By CPCT, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. By CPCT, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Okay. Then after, angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair, by LP. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 5 can be written as angle 3. So angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. 2 times of angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So here angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. 2 will be cut down here. So angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Here angle 3 is equivalent to angle 5. So we can write here angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, student. So this angle is 90 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. We know that this angle is equivalent to this angle. So this angle is also 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree. By VOA criteria. By VOA criteria, if this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, then the respective angles are also 90 degree. So here angle VOC is equal to angle DOC is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. This is your second proof. Okay, student, I hope you will understand these two proofs. The next proof is here, student, theorem number 12. Prove that the diagonals of a square are equal. Okay. Here one thing is different. Prove that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. So what information is given here? The given information is a square ABCD whose diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O, and TP to prove AC is equal to BD. First of all, you have to prove AC is equal to BD. Then after, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Just previous theorem I had proved OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD, and this angle is 90 degrees. These two are already proved, student, in theorem number 10. Okay. One thing is different. AC is equal to BD. If anything, if you have proved the diagonal, then you will take the base triangle. Okay. You will take always in a base triangle. Look at here. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD. That means ABC and ABD. This is the base triangle having the common base. Okay. In these two triangles, first one AB is equal to AB, common. AB equal to AB, common. AB equal to AB, common. Okay. BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD, sides of a square. BC is equal to AB, sides of a square, and angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. That means we know that in a square each angle is 90 degree. So here is the 90 degree. Okay, student. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. In which criteria? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By side, angle, side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, AC is equal to BD. By CPCT, AC is equal to BD. By CPCT. First one is proved. Okay. By CPCT, AC is equal to BD. So here student always keep in your mind three things. स्टूडेंट आपको तीन चीजें हमेशा दिमाग में याद रखना है कि जब भी हमको डायगोनल प्रूफ करना हो किसी भी फिगर में, जब भी हमको किसी भी फिगर में डायगोनल प्रूफ करना हो, हमको हमेशा बेस ट्रायंगल लेना होगा जिसमें कॉमन बेस हो, जैसे कि ए बी सी और ए बी डी। जब भी आप इस तरह से दो ट्रायंगल लोगे और इसको कंग्रुएंस करोगे तो सीपीसीटी से आपको डायगोनल ही प्रूफ होगा। ओके, फर्स्ट केस। सेकेंड केस, ओ ए इज इक्वल टू ओ सी एंड ओ बी इज इक्वल टू OD. That means diagonal bisect each other. This line meaning is diagonal bisect each other. तो इस केस में स्टूडेंट हमेशा अपोजिट ट्रायंगल को लेंगे, हमेशा। ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड टेक इन ए अपोजिट ट्रायंगल। ओके, सो हेयर इन ट्रायंगल AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, in these two triangles, AB is equal to CD, sides of a square. AB is equal to CD, sides of a square. Suppose student this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. So here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angle. Why it is alternate interior angle? Because this is the type of parallelogram and a square holds the all property of the parallelogram. Okay, that means opposite sides are parallel and AC is the transversal line, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, here suppose angle 3. Or here angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Again VOA, vertically opposite angle. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side. By angle side. Angle side property, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Property is angle side. By angle side property, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD by CPCT. Okay, student. This is the two things. And the third thing is, if suppose diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. In this case, always take adjacent triangle. Okay, always take adjacent triangle. Take here, student, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. Okay, AO is equal to AO common, AO is equal to AO common, AB is equal to AD, sides of a square, sides of a square, AB is equal to AD, sides of a square, and last one is OB is equal to OD, just prove. OB is equal to OD, just prove. Look at here, OB is equal to OD, OB is equal to OD, just proved by CPCT. So here triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. Okay, by CPCT, suppose this angle is 5, already explained in theorem number 4, student. So we know that angle 3 is equal to angle 5 by CPCT, and the same logic apply here. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree by LP. 2 times of angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So here angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. So we know that angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. So here angle AOB is equal to BOC is equal to COD is equal to AOD is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here student, one thing I will explain, converse of the theorem. ओके स्टूडेंट, मान लो कि थ्योरम नंबर 12 दिया हुआ है. अगर थ्योरम नंबर 12 का कन्वर्स पूछा जाता है तो कन्वर्स का मतलब होता है कि जो इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे प्रूफ में दिया हुआ है वही इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन में चला जाएगा. थ्योरम नंबर 12, अगर मान लीजिए कोई भी थ्योरम का यदि कन्वर्स उसके नीचे दिया हुआ है तो कन्वर्स का पहले क्या मतलब होता है ये समझो कि थ्योरम नंबर 12 दिया हुआ है. ओके, तो थ्योरम नंबर 12 में जो प्रूफ दिया हुआ है, अगर थ्योरम नंबर 12 का कन्वर्स है तो दैट मीन्स जो यहाँ प्रूफ दिया हुआ है वो टोटल इंफॉर्मेशन हमारा गिवन में चला जाएगा. जो यहाँ प्रूफ दिया हुआ है ये टोटल इंफॉर्मेशन हमारा चला जाएगा गिवन में. ओके, और जो यहाँ पे गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है कि ए स्क्वायर ABCD हुज डायगोनल समथिंग इज देयर, दैट मीन्स स्क्वायर ABCD, दिस वन इज प्रूव्ड बाय द कन्वर्स ऑफ थ्योरम 12. ओके, कन्वर्स का मतलब यही होता है कि जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ द गिवन थ्योरम. कोई भी थ्योरम दिया हुआ है उसका जस्ट अपोजिट को हम लोग सोचते हैं तो वही हमारा हो जाता है कन्वर्स ऑफ दिस थ्योरम, वट एवर द थ्योरम इज गिवन. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस थ्योरम. सो स्टूडेंट, योर होमवर्क इज complete theorem. Complete theorem 7 to 13. Okay student, complete theorem 7 to 13. So theorem number 10 and 12 already explained. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have any query, ask the question. Okay student, thank you.